birthday. I'm sorry, wala ako dyan. You know, I'm in Qatar. It's not easy, but what to do? I'm alone. This is my room. Always lonely. Always alone. I miss you, Mommy. Happy birthday, anyway. And thank you to Julibert. He is the promoter. I am the producer. Kayong mga nandiyan sa likod, huwag kayong tatawa-tawa. Kumain lang kayo. Libre yan. It's my wife's birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy. At hindi ko na alam kung ilang taong ka na ngayon. Pero, beautiful ka pa rin. Always. Miss na kita. Maski ako malayo. Dito ka pa rin. Hindi nawawala. I love you, Mommy. Madaming tao. Enjoy and many happy returns. Okay na ako dito. Malungkot. Pero, may internet naman eh. At saka, ito, nagme-message sa'yo. Happy birthday. Alam ko, bukas pa ang birthday mo. Kaya, tonight, birthday mo na ngayon. Bye-bye. I love you, Mommy. And Julibert, you take care of Mommy always, ha? Love you.